Hey there, Hyper here. We all know that a 3x3 has over 43 quintillion possible permutations. But how many combinations does the GAN 356X infinity have? There's no way it can be infinity, right? The GAN Infinity program essentially allows you to create your own GAN cube. You can choose from a large variety of features like plastic color and internal color. We have basically the options. So first off, we need to choose if it's stickered or stickerless. So there are different options for these two, but they're relatively the same. First off, for the stickered outer shell, there are 10 different options. You can choose to have no outer shell, which is weird, I guess. A black, orange, pink, white jade, red, blue, cyan, or purple outer shell. Next up, we have 9 different inner shell options, which are black, blue, cyan, orange, pink, purple, red, white, or white jade. For stickers, we have 5 choices. We can have no stickers, which is weird, full bright, half bright, full inbox, or half inbox stickers. For the last two, I actually have no idea what those are. Now the corner magnet color. So this is just the color of the magnet. We can have them the default color, green, orange, purple, or yellow. Now the core has 2 options, the IPG V5 and the numerical IPG. Elasticity refers to the GES nuts, so we can have them at 1.8, 2.1, 2.5, or 3.4, giving us 4 different options. So for your corner magnets, you can choose them to be 3x2, 3x1.5, or 3x1.8. For lube, you can have no lube, smooth lube, sticky, or normal lube. Now I would like to add magnet strength. So there are 4 different magnet strengths. I'm not really sure of the exact strength, but just remember that there are 4 magnet strengths. So after we do our calculations, we end up with 864,000 combinations for just the stickered side. For the stickerless side, things are mostly the same, a few changes here and there, so we'll go through them really quickly. For the inner shell, there are 9 different options. The outer shell replaces the stickers, so basically none, full bright pink, half bright, and half bright pink. Magnet color has 5 options, 2 options for the core, 4 options for the nuts, 3 options for the corner magnet strength, and 4 options for the lube, plus 4 options for the magnet strength. Now when you run the calculations, you will get 86,400 different combinations for the stickerless side. Now when you add the 2 numbers together, you will get 950,400 different combinations. Now this was a bit disappointing. We wanted this cube to have an infinite amount of combinations. But wait, it does. The numerical IPG has 3 different options, 0.6, 0.8, and 1.0. The IPG V5, however, is like a normal screw. It's a circle. Although a circle is a measurable shape, it actually has an infinite amount of points. This means that you can tension a GAN 356X with a V5 IPG an infinite number of ways. If you have a GAN 356X Infinity with the V5 core, there's a chance that your cube is the only cube that is like it. With the V5 core, the tensioning makes it so that there's an infinite amount of combinations that this cube could have. Back in the day, we had only a few options, a few cubes that we could use at competitions that were good. Now there are entire programs dedicated to making your own custom cube. And that's what's great about cubing. Everyone's different, everyone has their own style. And as always, thanks for watching.